Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update on an article I was looking through here. And guys, this says Bakkt Bitcoin futures has reached critical mass, expected to launch in Q3. And this is by News BTC, and it's Nick Chong is the author. So what I'm going to do is just kind of give my take on this. First of all, what I want you to realize is we've been through this many times in terms of they're saying it's going to go through and then it doesn't go through. So for me, I truly want to see it go through before I get too excited about it. But this is good news that we're seeing this type of adoption for cryptocurrency. And for all of you guys who think you're late to the party, truly we're blessed that we had that bear market where we could accumulate very cheap cryptocurrencies. And guys, you're still so very early into this space. I mean, you look at this Bakkt Bitcoin futures, this stuff hasn't even launched fully yet to where institutional investors can put their money in. So, we're still very early to the game, and I believe that this is just the beginning. We're in that very early adopter stage right now. And yeah, the coins, a lot of altcoins are suppressed right now, but if they're good projects that are continuously moving on through what we had that bear market and that accumulation phase, then guys, that's what you want to look for. And it's great that the prices were so cheap so you can accumulate and therefore be ready, guys. And remember, a lot of those ERC20 tokens and whatnot, those projects that are still doing well, they go up when Ethereum goes up. When Ethereum blasts off, they're going to as well. They're ERC20 tokens. So, those are the things that you want to watch for. And you want to look at that Bitcoin dominance, different things like that. And that's what I want to do the best I can for you here. I don't know when Bitcoin's going to $1 million. I don't know when it's going to $100,000, guys. I don't like to throw out predictions because what I like to do is take the price action and do the best that we can off that and kind of ride the coattails of the whales. That's what we need to do. So I can't tell you when Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million. Do I believe it could one day? Absolutely. With how few Bitcoin there are and the fact that we're only at the beginning here, I absolutely could see that happening, but I'm not going to put my hopes in that. I'm going to learn how to trade. I'm going to learn how to, protect myself because this market is so volatile. As you know, this market can go up or down $1,000 in Bitcoin in the matter of 5 minutes. We've seen it happen. So that's why this is a trader's paradise, but we just have to be careful and you have to protect yourself the best that you can. So this is good news here. What I'm going to read to you a little bit, just not going to dig in too much, but I just want to kind of give you the main portion of it. But this is exciting stuff if this really can go through. So it says here, in the coming week, Bakkt is expected to test launch its Bitcoin BTC's future product. While many have begun to doubt its viability as a medium for institutional adoption, especially due to the countless delays it's faced, this may not be the case. Earlier this week, the team at Fundstrat Global Advisors, a New York-based market analysis firm with roots in the cryptocurrency space, attended the Bakkt Institutional Digital Asset Summit that was hosted by the New York Stock Exchange. Goes on to say, and per an analysis from Sam Doctor of Fundstrat, institutions and other entities in attendance were not only bullish on Bakkt, but the broader Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market too. And a lot of the problem we have, guys, is just a simple fact. These institutions, they don't want to put in huge money when it can get hacked or stolen or this or that. They need secure, insured places where they can put their money, tons of money. And they don't want to put that on some funky exchange that can fall apart any day, or, oh, it got hacked, this many Bitcoin got hacked, and we've seen it so much, okay? And then it goes on to say, in a recent Fundstrat research note posted on Twitter, Doctor explained that per his first-hand experience of the event, which saw representatives from over 150 investors and institutions attended, there is institutional anticipation for Bakkt Bitcoin's future, slated to be the first U.S.-regulated vehicle of its sort that is physically delivered, he wrote. And guys, it just continues to go on, but this is going to be that on-ramp for the institutional investors to put large amounts of money in, because a lot of them, they see these prices that are so depressed, and they're seeing that a project is doing well, and they understand that cryptocurrency is the future in many ways for money and projects and different things. They're going to look at that and they're going to say, wow, there could be huge percentage gains here, and they're going to be the ones who drive that market. And then you're going to have the retail FOMO on top of that. So things could get crazy, guys. It could be 2 years from now, 5 years from now, who knows? But if you're able to accumulate good projects down low like this, we've seen it before when Ethereum went from cents to $1,400. And a lot of these coins that have went from cents to $1,000 or more, or $100, even, go from cents. If you can get into a project and you're buying it for 8 cents or something and it goes to $8, that could be absolutely life-changing. So that's what we want to try to find, guys, the best that we can. But if you like these videos, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I wanted to put this on your radar. Like I said, I don't put a whole lot of stock in it until it actually comes to fulfillment. That's what I'm looking for. So you guys take care.